Today, I will show you Thermaltake Toughpower GT 850W Snow Exposed. Which version did you get? The Thermaltake Toughpower GT 850W Snow is a striking, white-themed 850-watt power supply that in 2026 sits somewhere between solid choice for budget-conscious builders and product that has mixed real-world reliability reports, meaning what you got matters. According to the official Thermaltake spec sheet, this PSU offers 80 plus gold efficiency, is fully modular with low-profile white cables, meets ATX 3.1 standards for modern platforms, and includes a native PCIe 5 112 volts 2x6 connector for next-gen GPUs. It also has industrial-grade safety protections and a quiet 120mm hydraulic bearing fan with Smart Zero fan mode for low-noise operation. Many buyers and listings show good user ratings, often around to 4.6, 4.7 out of 5, and reported performing well in gaming or workstation builds, handling mid to high-end CPUs and GPUs without issues, while contributing to a clean white build aesthetic. However, there are important reality checks. Some users have encountered operational problems such as units failing to start producing abnormal noises or even delivering unstable voltages that in rare cases stressed other components' problems serious enough that multiple builders recommend caution or prefer more trusted PSU brands. Community feedback also varies on fan noise. Some find the Smart Zero mode quiet, while others say the fan noise under load or spin-up sounds are annoying. There aren't multiple versions widely documented for the Snow model, the way there are for some older Thermaltake Toughpower lines. But quality control variation seems to be the main source of differences people notice in experiences. In short, if you got a well-functioning 850W Gold Snow unit, it can be a great value with modern specs and aesthetic appeal, but don't be surprised if others had inconsistent reliability. Always test it in your build and consider warranty support options before trusting it with expensive components. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.